exactly were the Mayan people? The Maya were one of the world's most successful civilizations. The Maya people were located in Mesoamerica, which is present-day Mexico and Central America. Their civilizations peaked during 250 and 900 AD, a time also known as the Classic period. Some of the greatest accomplishments of the Mayans was their development of the science of astronomy, calendar systems, and hieroglyphic writing. They were also known for creating elaborate ceremonial architectures such as pyramids, temples, palaces, and observatories. Much of their culture depended on commerce, religious beliefs, and farming, corn playing a fundamental role. But one of the most notable achievements of the Mayan was their arithmetic. Their development of the concept of zero was revolutionary and played a key role in their calendar system, which they relied on heavily for the management of their crops. So what numeral system did the Mayans use? They used a vigesimal-based system, which, like ours, probably related to the number of fingers and toes they had. Their number system consists of 3 symbols, 0 as the first. The 0 is representative of a shell and is very important in place value, as is in our numeral system. Along with the 0, there is also a dot, which is representative of 1. There can be up to 4 dots, at which point 5 becomes a line. Also unique to the Mayans, instead of reading left to right, they read top to bottom. So how exactly can we make sense of these 3 symbols? This number is written in Mayan notation. Since it is on the bottom, it is in the ones place. As many as 19 items can be in the ones place. Counting the bars, we have 5, 10, 15 items. By counting the 4 dots, we get to the number 19. If there were a total of 4 bars, we would have 20 items, which would then become a dot in the 20s place. The dot in this place is equal to the 20 to the first power, or simply put, 20. Because the ones place is empty, we use the 0 symbol to hold place value. This helps to make the distinction between the numbers 20 and 2. In the Mayan numeral system, each dot in the ones place is equal to 20 to the 0th power, or 1. Each dot in the 20s place is equal to 20 to the first, or 20. And each bar is equal to 5, so it becomes 5 times 20, which is 100. The value of a dot in the 3rd place is equal to 20 squared, or 400, and a bar is 5 times 400, or 2000. In the 8,000th place, a dot is worth 20 to the 3rd, or 8,000, and a bar is 8,000 times 5, or 40,000. So now that we know place value, how do we do addition and subtraction? First, let's begin by expressing 7 plus 4 in Mayan numerals. So when we have to add, we have 1 bar and 6 dots. And because 5 dots is equal to 1 bar, we now have 2 bars and 1 dot. For subtraction, rather than finding the sum of bars and dots, we find the difference. When the total amount of bars and dots in one place is smaller than the amount in the next place that it's being subtracted from, we have to borrow 1 dot from the next highest place. So let's try 40 minus 25. First, we should begin by expressing these numbers in Mayan numerals. For 40, we have 2 dots in the 20s place, which is equivalent to 40, and a 0 as a placeholder in the ones place. To express 25, we have 1 dot in the 20s place, which is 20, and 1 bar in the ones place, which is equal to 5. To subtract, let's work bottom to top. The lower register of 25 is larger than 40, so we need to borrow 1 dot from the second register of 40. This is rewritten as 4 bars in the ones place. The difference is nothing in the 20s place, or the 0 placeholder, and 3 bars in the 1 place, or 15.